Moon is the only natural satellite of Earth. It always shows the same side to Earth. We have never seen the other side of it. Moon doesn't produce light, it only reflects the sunlight. The surface of the moon is actually dark, but comparing to the night sky, it seems to be a bright object. As moon has no surrounding atmosphere, there is no sky to it, no clouds, no flying objects. Moon's distance is almost 385,000 kilometers from Earth. Its gravity is 6 times less than Earth, but still, it controls the tide of our oceans. If your weight is 60 kilograms on Earth, you will be only 10 kilograms on the moon. Thank you for watching.